Ready to play like a pro. Introducing the new Logic G1L Gamer Kit. It's got everything you need. A gaming design that stands out from every angle. 50 megapixel camera. A large 6.6-inch high-definition display. It will take your gaming experience to the next level. Powered by an 8-core MediaTek Helio G36 processor. It can run the most demanding games and take you to the top in every game. It includes 14 gigabytes of RAM for plus 10 virtual and 128 gigabytes storage capacity. Plus, you'll be able to loot, run, jump, and ambush your enemies. Thanks to IT's powerful 4,900 mAh battery. Inside the package, you'll find a Logic GC2 wireless controller and the awesome Logic TG2 headphones with a metal body and RGB lights. Logic